The overwhelming uncertainty ahead of the presidential election? Yeah, it's showing up in the markets too. From predictions to crypto to a Donald Trump stock market indicator, everything's a bit haywire the closer we get to E-Day. Let's start with the predictions market. This is a new one as Americans can now bet on the outcome of the presidential election. Looking at Kalshi from October 10th to October 29th, the odds on former President Donald Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris went from 50-50 to Trump being up about 65-35. Then in the 4 days that followed, Trump's odds plunged until Harris took a brief lead. On the day before the election, Trump has rebounded, now up 57-43 as of Monday morning. It's not just the official predictions markets where investors are placing their bets. We saw significant movement in October in areas investors refer to as the Trump trade. Take Bitcoin, which has had a pretty outstanding year. Bitcoin has become part of the Trump trade after Trump fully embraced cryptocurrencies earlier this year. Like prediction markets, the price of Bitcoin peaked on October 29th at around 73 grand. Since then, enthusiasm has pared back to around 68 grand as of Monday morning. Nothing is more indicative of the Trump trade than what has become his own meme stock. DJT, the ticker symbol for Trump Media and Technology Group, has traded less on the fundamentals and more on Trump's electability. The stock's up 90% over the past month, but again peaked on October 29th. In the past 5 days, it's fallen more than 40%. The name of the game is volatility. In October, it seemed markets of all kinds were increasingly positioning for a Trump victory. In the final stretch, uncertainty has set in. The volatility index, the VIX, measures just this. It's also called the fear index. It's trading above its 200-day average. The dollar's dropping, bonds are rallying, and the election isn't the only market mover this week. On Thursday, the Federal Reserve makes its next rate cut decision. Markets are expecting a quarter-point cut. Will we even know the next president by then? In 2020, it took 4 long days.